Hi guys, Sagar here. Hope you understood the previous one. Today we have the fifth question of exercise 12.1. So it says, you want to set up a pole of height 10 meters vertically with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make 30-degree angle with the pole. What should be the length of the pole? So let's consider there is a pole. So let this be the pole of 10 meters length. And he's saying that there are 3 ropes that are supporting this pole. Now let this be the poles. This is the first pole. This be the second pole, second rope, and this be the third rope, which are supporting this pole. And it's telling that all of these ropes are making 30-degree angle with the pole. They're making 30-degree angle with the pole, not the ground. So this is 30, this is 30, and this also 30. Let the pole be A and B. Now he is telling us to find the length of the rope. Since all of the ropes are making 30-degree angle with the pole, I can find all the triangles will be similar. So I can find the length of the rope in one triangle, and if I multiply it by 3, I would get the length of all that. I will get the length of the whole rope which is needed. So this is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, and let this be the point C. Now the rope here is AC. We need to find the length of AC here. So with respect to 30 degrees, we have the length of adjacent side and we need to find the length of hypotenuse. So the trigonometric ratio which has adjacent side and hypotenuse is cos. Therefore, cos A equal to AB by AC, and A equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, cos 30 AB equal to 10, 10 by AC. Now cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 is equal to 10 by AC. If I cross multiply here, I would get root 3 into AC equal to 20. Next, if I bring root 3 to the right hand side, I would get AC is equal to 20 by root 3. And if I rationalize the denominator by multiplying root 3 on both sides, I would get 20 root 3 by 3. So now we found the length of one rope, which is AC. And to find the length of the whole rope, we need to multiply the result by 3 with 3. Therefore, we got length of one rope. Length of one rope is equal to 20 root 3 by 3 meters. Next, now length of 3 ropes is equal to 20 root 3 by 3 into 3. Now 3 and 3 will get cancelled and the answer we got is 20 root 3 meters. That's it. So if you want to set up a pole of height 10 meters vertically with support of 3 ropes and each rope making 30-degree angle with the rope, then the length of the rope should be 20 root 3 meters. Hope you understood the question. Subscribe for the next one. Thank you.